afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb year 2012 government pass question. Question number 28 says radical nationalism in Nigeria is generally attributed to the influence of Daesh. Radical nationalism in Nigeria is generally attributed to the influence of Daesh. So the question is talking about who was the main actor behind the nationalist movement in Nigeria. Option A says Aminu Kanu, B say Abat Macaulay, C say Nnamdi Azikiwe, D say Mbonu Ojike. The person who actually moved the motion and influenced nationalism or radical nationalism in Nigeria and in Africa as a whole is Abat Macaulay. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.